Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 6 HFT10203 Basic Accounting L1. We are going to present our case study.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Aiman bin Suzaina Azizi. My metric number is H21A2246. Today I want to present my group assignment abstract. The purpose of the assignment is to demonstrate the preparation of account including business transaction, ledger, trial balance, profit and loss account and their application to business based on transaction about case study 3. Assignments are designed in essay format and full set of account to indicate opinion and case study computation 3. It will find case study is important to make an impact at Mr. Roy Enterprise. The assignment provides that the use of the profit loss statement and the use of the balance sheet. Further, assignment will ensure that provide information about Mr. Roy Enterprise, well, financial position and operation result. This show how easy it can be find a way to create a financial account through this case study. It will be explained and communicate clearly about its interest. Thank you.
After graduation from University Malaysia Kelantan, the seven of us decided to run a small business. We opened a shoes business. The business has been going well for past 3 years. As the business grew, we found that the accounting record were not well managed, which led to various problems. So we do a business meeting and it was agreed that we should practice what we had learned in the UMK Basic Accounting. Mr. Roy Enterprise was established in 2019, founded by a famous millionaire in the state of Kelantan, Datuk Haji Ahir bin Shukri. His ability is to know the basic of entrepreneurship and have a lot of idea how to do a marketing. He also has a soft skill that is communication, teamwork, problem solving, leadership, and conflict resolution. Besides, he also now has a diligent manager by supervisor and employees. In addition, the result of our study in the Batu area is still less shop that supply shoes. Moreover, the population in this district is increased with the support of the local community. It eventually developed into one of the leading shows in the Kelantan.
From the case study, this is our journal. Mrs. Roy Enterprise General Journal. On 10 October, Mrs. Roy started a business with RM60,000. The amount received as a capital contribution from Mrs. Roy, the proprietor, as evident by receipts. 11 October, bought furniture from Modern Furniture, RM10,000. 12 October, purchased goods RM15,000 each. 13. Purchased goods from B Sense and Co. RM30,000. 14. Make a cash deposit while opening a bank, RM16,000. 16. Sold goods, RM15,000 each. 17. Purchased stationery from Bharat Stationery Mart, RM1,000. 18. Sold goods to Zahir Khan, RM10,000. 19. Bought machinery for RM6,000 by check. 20. Goods returned by Zahir Khan, RM2,000. 21. Payment to B Sense and Co. by check, RM5,000. 22. Withdrew from bank for personal usage, RM3,000. 23. Interest paid by check, RM2,000. 24. Withdrew from bank to office expenses, RM10,000. 26 received check from Zahir Khan Rm 5,000. 27 pay electricity bill with cash Rm 100. 29 sales cash Rm 6,000. And lastly, 30 October commission received by check Rm 5,000.
Next is recording the transaction is ledger account. Have a cash account, capital account, furniture account, modern furniture account, bank account, sale account, stationery account, and another else. This ledger account is a step 3 of business transaction. This ledger account is so important because to make the trial balance.
Trial balance is a list of all the general ledger account, books, revenue, and capital contained in the ledger of a business. This list will contain the name of each nominal ledger account and the value of the nominal ledger balance. Each nominal ledger account will hold either a debit balance or a credit balance.
Assalamualaikum and peace be open to you. I am Nuruddin Ramlan and my number matrix is H21A2538. Today I want to continue the presentation about the statement of profit and loss. Mr. Roy Enterprise Trading and Profit Loss and account for the years ended 31 October 2020. Firstly is sale, RM31,000 in debit. Sale commission, RM5,000 in debit. Sale return negative RM2,000 in debit, and the net sale is RM34,000 in credit. Next is less cost of goods sold. Purchase negative RM45,000 in credit, and the gross profit is RM11,000 in credit. Next is less expenses. Office expenses RM10,000 in debit. Drawing RM3,000 in debit, interest RM2,000 in debit, electricity bill RM100 in debit, stationery RM1,000 in debit, furniture and machinery is RM10,000 in debit and RM6,000 in debit, and the total is RM32,100 in credit. And the net loss is RM21,100 in credit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haris Adam Abdullah. My number matrix HFT10203. Today I would like to share about our group balance sheet statements. Mrs. Roy Enterprise balance sheet as at 30 October 2019. And the total of balance sheet that our group got is RM33,900 Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Profit and loss statement can determine how profitable a company is over a period of the time. The usefulness of the period and loss statement is to find out the net income of the company. One of the main reasons profit and loss statement are made is to measure the amount of income that the company has generated during the current accounting period. Net income is the balance of the amounts of cash generated by sales after deducting the cost of goods and also for expenses for the period. We can also measure the effectiveness of sale method to ensure our company's profit goals are archived. If a business income is greater than its expenses, the statement indicates a net profit. If not, a net loss ensures. Basically, this profit and loss statement will determine whether or not a company has made a profit in a given period of time. Other than that, the usefulness of the period and the profit and loss statement is to make the right decision. Profit and loss statement are very important for business to make decisions. This provides a clear picture of whether the company's operation generate profit or loss after considering and related production. Therefore, the company can take corrective action if there is a need. We also will be able to make better financial decisions because we can create knowledge of how our business is in terms of income and expenses. Lastly is to improve and enhance the performance to our company. This profit and loss statement will show us what is going on in our company. We will also find out whether our company is profitable or not. All profit and losses all the company will be recorded and the profit and loss statement. Then we find out that our company is still lost. We need to think and figure out about how to increase sales and profits of the company in the future, and if the company make a profit, we also need to maintain the sale and increase profit so that it can reach the maximum level. The statement of profit and loss can manage the money coming in and out of the company to ensure the business achieves a net operating profit. Preparing this profit and loss statement and reviewing it regularly will give us an idea of the business in which we are making money or losing money. It will also provide us with where we are spending our money and will help us determine where we might be able to cut the costs.
The usefulness of the balance sheet statement. A balance sheet statement is financial statement that show an organization asset, liability, and capital as a specific date. In other words, everything a company owns and is visible. The balance sheet statement, along with other financial documents, is used to assess a company profitability, liquidity, debt, and efficiency. Other than that, the balance sheet statement is important since it is in the explanation of the company result. The balance sheet statement is crucial since it allows you to see a company financial health.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafiq Aiman bin Zainal Alizi. My metric number is H1282246. Now I want to present about my group conclusion. In conclusion, accounting is necessary for a firm since it offering information about its activity. Accounting is critical for a company financial management. Accounting major function is to be data about company with financial status and operation result. Accounting is also essential in running a business since it allow you to keep track of your revenue and spending. The income statement contains profit and loss information, where the cash flow statement serves a link between the income statement and the balance sheet. Based on the fact in our case study group, we can infer that our group has learned what a business is and that we have a lot of knowledge about the business history. We may develop analytical, evaluated, and our ability while working on this project. Not all that, but we many refer to the account website to locate information relevant to our job. Even though not everyone in our group has a database of account, we are able to finish this work effectively. Thank you. That's all from me.